Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you playing Golf Battle and want to link your account so you can save your progress and you can play on any device? If yes, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open Golf Battle game on a device. Once you're logged in and you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on your profile icon or your avatar at the top right corner, and from your profile section go to the bottom. You can choose any method from the bottom, that is login with Facebook or login with Google, in order to link your account so you can save your progress. Simply choose a linking method. I'm just gonna tap on the login with Facebook option. Now after you tap on that, you'll need to enter your Facebook account's credentials. If you've selected Google, you'll need to enter your Google account's credential and follow through the instructions. After typing down your credential, you'll come across this page. Click on the continue button at the bottom, and then you have successfully linked one of your accounts on Golf Battle. Once you've done that, your progress, coins, and unlocked items are now saved to your account. Always link your account before uninstalling or switching devices, and your progress will be saved. So that is how you can easily link your account to save your progress on Golf Battle. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.